going on a cruise today to Starved Rock. Should be a good time. Got all the cars out here, so see what we get into. I'll get back in the car once we're doing a POV, and then I'll give you guys a little bit of updates on everything as we're going along through everything. I'll give you some of the updates on my car and everything that's been going through. But here she is, how she sits right now. So got the side skirts on there, front lip, just tuned it. Got rear diffuser, got the steering wheel. So we'll keep you updated on everything as we go. But she's looking nice, looking nice. What is up, everybody? We're doing this cruise to Starved Rock. I hope you can see the heads-up display. But nice time, kind of unwind during all this social distancing that's going on. Enjoying the speed. Woo! 150, boys. But just gonna enjoy it a little bit. Sport Plus is a little bit too twitchy there, but so while we're here talking, just wanted to let you guys know all the things that are going on with the channel right now. Going through a little bit of a restructure kind of that I want to do. However, right now I did just tune my car on boot mode stage 1, so there's that. Then we got new side skirts, new rear diffuser. You can see the steering wheel that I got also, and I'm gonna do an overview on the whole car here coming up like next week or something. But I wanted to really enjoy the cruise today, so I wanted to bring you guys along with me. So once we get to a better, more scenic area, then I'll let you guys just enjoy that. But it's gonna be a fun one. Just got to the first meet-out spot. This is crazy to say the least. People flying down the highways over here. But let's go check out everybody's car. Woo! That was crazy. I thought I lost you for a second there. I was like where you at? I hit like 150 and I was like, holy shit.
Yeah, I hit 130 and then all the 215s in the back were like, nope. So I was just cruising at 100 the whole way.
Yeah.
Something happened with the IS.
Which one?
Just like pulled off the side of the road.
The blue one?
The blue one, yeah.
There was a BMW, wasn't it, pulled up on the side of the road too? A blue one? I don't know.
BMW, a couple Corvettes.
Yeah, I saw the Corvettes.
Two-step on this Skyline.
Was that the Skyline that two-stepped up there?
Yeah.
I thought it was the GTR. That shit was loud as hell. The R35? See the M6 with the V10? You hear that thing?
Yeah.
It's freaking loud. Sounds nice.
That's why I sped up with him when he cut in front of me.
Yeah, nice. Let's see what happened to this car.
Oh, are you driving the gold car? Yeah. Are you even old enough to drive? Yeah, he's just driving.
What happened to the ISF?
What do you mean?
I don't know. I thought it was pulled up on the side. There was
pulled up on the side?
Oh, which side?
Yeah, he did pull up. Oh.
Okay, yeah. And there was a BMW on the side of the road
I
too.
wonder what happened. I seen this car pull on the same
Yeah, just learned that if the side blade doesn't go all the way down, that it's a rear-wheel drive. If it cuts in the middle, the carbon fiber side blade.
Yeah.
If it doesn't go, if it's not one whole piece, that it's rear-wheel drive. I didn't know that.
I didn't know that either.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
right, boys, going to get some gas. So stopping at the halfway point here. I think I might have already mentioned it. I can't even tell when this thing's recording, but I'm gonna get some gas right quick. Lambos. She lives at the gas station, boys. Just some snacks. Holy crap. I can't believe this. I'm about to check out these gas prices, because if they're what I think they are. Holy shit. $2 for 93. It's crazy. I'm definitely filling up here. Always at the gas station. Got the Caravan out here. Caravan out here. All right, quick 40 roll. You don't want that smoke? Barry don't want that smoke. Just a quick little 40 pool. Barry's got a 180SX imported from Japan. I think he's pushing around like 400 to the wheels. But we'll ask him once we get back. But that was a good little race, you know. Got to give him a little bit at the beginning, let him spool up, because the twins are hungry down there. But it's a good one. I've been trying to run this guy in front, but his girl's driving and she don't know how to do it. So I'll keep you updated. The cruise is going pretty well. Had to do some weight reduction in the bathroom earlier, and the group left me behind, so I got a few guys that stuck with me. But we're headed back now, and I'll catch up with you guys then. It's a good little race. All right, so we had a good cruise today, but we got all these little bugs on the car right here, and that's what we're gonna be fixing up today. I'm just gonna clean this off, but it's a good cruise. Got a lot more to come. The next video that I'll be doing will be a overview on everything that I've been doing with the car, so look forward to that. And then after that, maybe like a boot mode stage 1 review. But it's looking good, it's looking good. But thank you for watching, and I gotta clean all these freaking bugs, so I'll see you guys on the next one.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.